Imagine building a cutting-edge AI model that rivals OpenAI for less than the price of a high-end gaming PC. NovaSky's Sky T1-32B preview is shaking up the AI world, delivering top-tier reasoning at a fraction of the cost. But here's the kicker. It's open source and you can replicate it yourself. How did they do it? And what does this mean for the future of AI? Let's dive into the revolution of affordable, high-performance AI and why it's a game changer for everyone. Reasoning AI models are becoming more accessible and affordable. NovaSky, a team from UC Berkeley's Sky Computing Lab, recently released Sky T1-32B preview, an open-source reasoning model rivaling OpenAI's O1 preview in key benchmarks. Notably, Sky T1 can be fully replicated with its release dataset and training code. Sky T1-32B preview was trained for less than $450, the team stated, highlighting a drastic cost reduction compared to earlier models, which often cost millions. This was achieved using synthetic training data, similar to Writer's Palmyra X004, which cost $700,000 to develop. Sky T1 was trained using a mix of data generated by Alibaba's QWQ-32B preview and refined with OpenAI's GPT-4o Mini. The 32 billion parameter model was trained in 19 hours using 8 NVIDIA H100 GPUs. Sky T1 outperformed OpenAI's O1 preview in math and coding evaluations but fell short on GPQA Diamond, which involves advanced science topics. While OpenAI's upcoming O3 model is expected to surpass Sky T1, NovaSky views this as just the beginning. They aim to develop more efficient, high-performing reasoning models and explore techniques to enhance accuracy and efficiency. AI companies raised over $100 billion in venture capital in 2024, up 80% from 2023, according to Crunchbase, making up nearly a third of total VC investments. This rapid growth has led to a crowded market with overlapping startups, some relying on AI only for marketing and others genuinely innovating. Investors face the challenge of identifying future leaders. That a TechCrunch survey of 20 VCs revealed that proprietary data quality and rarity are critical for AI startups to stand out. Paul Drews from Salesforce Ventures highlighted the importance of differentiated data, technical innovation, and compelling user experience. Jason Mendel of Battery Ventures emphasized unique data and sticky workflows as key moats. Scott Bichuk from Norwest Venture Partners noted startups leveraging their unique data have better long-term potential. Andrew Ferguson of Databricks Ventures added that feedback-rich customer data strengthens AI systems. Valeria Kogan, CEO of Fairmata, credited proprietary data labeling and in-house RD for her startup's model accuracy. Jonathan Blair of Workbench stressed the value of cleaning and applying data efficiently, especially in vertical AI opportunities requiring deep domain expertise. Strong leadership, seamless tech integrations, and customer workflow insights also remain top priorities for VCs. OpenAI disbanded its robotics team, but has since revived it, revealing new details about its plans through a social media post by hardware director Caitlin Kalinowski and recent job listings. Kalinowski, who joined from Meta's AR division, stated that OpenAI will develop robots with custom sensors and AI-powered computational elements. The team aims to create general-purpose, adaptive robots capable of human-like intelligence in real-world settings. Job postings suggest OpenAI will design new hardware and software, potentially including robots with limbs, and may use contract workers for prototype testing. The company is also seeking engineers experienced in high-volume production, hinting at ambitions for mass-scale manufacturing. Robotics is a booming sector, with $6.4 billion in VC funding last year. Companies like Bright Machines, Collaborative Robotics, Carbon Robotics, and Bear Robotics have carved out niches in factory automation and specialized tasks. Humanoid robots, like those from OpenAI-backed X1 and Figure, are gaining attention, though mass production remains a significant challenge. Beyond robotics, OpenAI is reportedly working on a new device with ex-Apple designer Johnny Ive and developing custom AI chips. And that's the story of how NovaSky's Sky T1 is democratizing AI, proving that groundbreaking technology doesn't have to come with a sky-high price tag. But this is just the beginning. What happens when more teams join the race to build smarter, faster, and more affordable AI models? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next chapter in this AI revolution. Let us know in the comments, what do you think will be the next big breakthrough in AI? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the future.